It's a certified 2016 Cadillac XTS. Artfully crafted inside and out, this XTS immerses you in the experience of luxury. It's well equipped with the features you need: integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, automated parking sensors, auto-dimming mirrors, heated steering wheel, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. The Car Connection comments, "From the inside out is probably the way that Cadillac would want you to see the XTS, with a swoopier look, softer details, and plenty of smooth contouring inside, contrasting with beveled, tightly fitted metallic trim pieces. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive."
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.
For value.